You guys, welcome back. Today I'm making my version of Nước Mắm, a simple sweet fish sauce dipping sauce that's so savory and a bit tangy and goes great with many things. Let's get started. We'll need sugar, boiling hot water, fish sauce, mix well to dissolve the sugar, lime juice, vinegar, finely minced garlic, red chilies, and optionally grounded roasted peanuts for some nuttiness. You can also add a few shreds of carrot for more color. And it's done. Here are a few things that you can eat it with. Hope you enjoyed this short video. Please hit that like button to show some love, and I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.